Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can download and play games on your TCL Smart TV. So if you want to download and play games, you can simply download them in your Google Play Store. So let me show you. Let's go to Google Play Store. From here on, as you can see, I'm going to download a game which does not take a lot of time. So yeah, maybe I can download this Red Ball 4 that is showing up. You can click on any game that you want to install and then click install, and then you can wait for it to get installed. So once the game is installed, you can simply click on the play button, and you can play the game by using these navigation keys. So this is how you play games on your TCL Smart TV. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.